Good afternoon, everybody. My name is William Carew. I'm going to give you a speech on the high mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, also known as the Humvee. In 1979, the U.S. Army drafted final specifications for a high mobility, multi-purpose wheeled vehicle, or a Humvee, which was to place all tactical vehicles in the quarter-ton to 1 1/4 ton range, namely the M151 quarter-ton Jeep and the M561 Gamma Goat, as one jack-of-all-trades light tactical truck to perform the role of several existing trucks. The specification called for excellence on off-road performance, the ability to carry large payload, and improved mobility. Up on the border of specifications, the new truck was to climb a 60% incline and traverse a 40% slope. The air intake was to be mounted flush on top of the hood on the right side. Or it could be telescoped up to ford in water up to 5 feet deep. The electronics needed to be waterproof so it can drive through water at 2.5 feet deep. The radiator was to be mounted at a high sloping angle over the engine with a hood that is hinged on the front. Compared to the Jeep, the Humvee was going to be larger. It had a much wider track with a 16-inch clearance, which was double of that of most sport utility vehicles at that time. Out of 61 companies that showed interest, only 3 had submitted prototypes. The U.S. Army awarded AM General a prototype contract in 1981, and the development and operational testing was conducted over a 5-month period in 1982. In March of 1983, AM General won an initial $1.2 billion contract to produce 55,000 Humvees to be delivered in 5 basic models and 15 different configurations over a 5-year period. The Army subsequently increased that order with over 15,000 additional vehicles, raising the total contract order to 70,000 Humvees. The Humvee was designed primarily for personal and light cargo transport behind front lines, not as a frontline fighting vehicle. Known officially as the M998 series and nicknamed the Humvee or Hummer, this technology advanced 1 1/4 ton 4x4 multi-purpose vehicle answered the Armed Forces' need for superior mobility in a tactical field environment. It was versatile, mobile, and fast. The original 998 had a curb weight of approximately 5,200 pounds, a payload of 2,500 pounds, and a 6.2-liter V8 diesel engine. With a 25-gallon fuel tank, it can accelerate from 0 to 30 miles per hour in 8 seconds and has a large range of 300 miles without refueling. The newer model in the same class weighs only 700 pounds more at 5,900 pounds, but can carry almost twice the payload at 4,400 pounds. It has a 6.5-liter V6 diesel engine. The Humvee was prominent in U.S. military action in Panama in 1989 and 1990, and even more so in Operation Desert Storm in 1991. More recently, Humvees have played important roles in Somalia, the Balkans, Afghanistan, and Iraq. Wherever American soldiers go, their Humvees go with them. The Humvee has now become a powerful, versatile frontline fighting vehicle. The Humvee offers exceptional speed, mobility, and agility, and is built upon a multi-purpose platform, which will accommodate a broad range of configurations. Humvees feature full-time, four-wheel drive, independent suspension, steep approach and departure angles, 60% gradability, and 16 inches of ground clearance. That concludes my speech.